Today we're going to be making skimpy shrimp. This is Fisherman Wharf Best Absolute Perfect Shrimp. These shrimp are deveined. All this means is that they don't have a poop chute. This is where the poop chute goes. It holds poop. Get it, Karen. Go ahead and mince 4 clovers of garlic. You can save the paper things for salad. Butterfly. Olive oil. Some Pam so the shrimp don't stick. Add your garlic. Mix the lardo. Couldn't find any dry wine, so I'm just going to use the wet kind. After several 3rd-degree burns, add some red pepper, some black pepper, green pepper, and some salt to taste. Perfect. Saute your shrimp, saute lardo. I didn't have any parsley, so I'm just going to use some lettuce, some lemon sauce. Perfect. These go great over some wheat sticks. Note to self, Karen doesn't like wet wine.
Taste test. Yum. Crunchy.